Here are 6 deadly habits killing small YouTube channels, and how to break free. Hey YouTube family, let me ask you this. Have you ever poured your heart and soul into creating videos, only to feel like no one's watching? It's frustrating, right? You start to wonder, am I even cut out for this? Well, let me tell you something, you are. But chances are, there are deadly habits lurking in your process that are quietly sabotaging your growth. Today, I'm not just here to call them out, I'm here to help you break free from them. So grab a pen, because this is about to change your YouTube journey forever. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Sammy and I'm the brain behind this channel. So, do well to hit that subscribe button if you are new here, and if you're not, thanks for returning. So, here are the 6 deadly habits that kill small channel creators. 1. Inconsistency. Let me tell you, the YouTube algorithm doesn't trust creators who show up one week, then ghost their audience the next. If you're posting sporadically, you're sending the message that even you don't believe in your channel. And why would viewers or the algorithm take you seriously if you're not consistent? The fix? Create a realistic upload schedule. If once a week is all you can manage, commit to it like your channel's life depends on it, because it does. 2. Ignoring your niche. Here's the harsh truth, you can't please everyone. One day you're posting vlogs, the next day it's gaming, then a random cooking tutorial pops up. Your audience doesn't know what to expect, and confused viewers don't subscribe. Imagine walking into a bakery that also sells shoes, would you trust it? No. Find your niche, become the go-to expert in that space, and double down on content that resonates with your ideal audience. 3. Obsessing over numbers. Okay, I get it. Watching your subscriber count and views can feel like your life's report card. But obsessing over numbers is a trap that steals your creativity. When you create only for metrics, you lose the passion that brought you to YouTube in the first place. Here's a tip, focus on building relationships. Reply to comments, engage with your viewers, and create content that helps or entertains them. Numbers will follow when you put people first. 4. Bad thumbnails and titles. This one hurts, but it needs to be said, a bad thumbnail or boring title will bury your video faster than you can say an algorithm. You could have the best content, but if no one clicks, it's game over. Remember, YouTube is a visual platform, your thumbnail is your first impression. Use bold, clear text, expressive faces, and bright colors that pop. And your titles? Make them specific, emotional, and curiosity-driven. Ask yourself, would I click on this? 5. Neglecting SEO. SEO might sound technical, but it's the secret sauce for small creators. If you're not optimizing your titles, descriptions, and tags with searchable keywords, you're leaving views on the table. Think about what your audience is typing into that search bar and match their intent. Tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ can help you identify keywords and improve your chances of being discovered. 6. Fear of improvement. Let's get real for a second, are you afraid to level up? Many small YouTubers fall into the comfort zone, afraid to invest in better equipment, learn new editing skills, or experiment with their content. Growth requires change, and yes, change can be scary. But imagine how much better your channel could be if you just took that leap. Start small, but start. Your audience will notice the effort, and the growth will follow. Now, I know this might feel overwhelming, but here's the good news, you don't have to fix everything overnight. Start with one habit. Work on it. Then tackle the next. Remember, no channel starts perfect, we all learn as we grow. The key is to stay consistent, stay passionate, and never give up on your dream. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, it lets me know I'm helping you. And if you're ready to take your channel to the next level, make sure to subscribe because we're in this journey together. Drop a comment below and let me know which habit you are going to fix first. I'll see you in the next video, bye for now.